What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I use my, what is this? This is the Do It swim jig mold. I'm using an eagle claw long shank hook. It is not the hook that is designed to be used with this mold. Usually your eye would be going the other way on this hook that's made for this mold, but these hooks are more ready available at Walmart and pretty much every tackle store. It's just a long shank eagle claw saltwater hook. What I do is get my pliers and I come in here and I put a bend about a 1/2 inch back on the shank there. Put a little bend there. Bend didn't come out very straight on that one, but it'll do. Lay it down in there like that. I don't know if you can see that. It's laying in there quite perfect. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Check it out. Now all I gotta do is trim that extra there and have it ready to powder coat tomorrow. I'm gonna be making a flow base cup tomorrow, which is actually just an aerated cup for your powder coat, and it just keeps your powder coat paint super fluffed up, so when you go to dip it, it doesn't clump or anything on you, and gives you a nice, perfect little layer there. All right, it's actually going pretty good right now. Do one more for y'all. Come down a 1/2 inch. This is a long shank saltwater eagle claw. Put a little bend on it, about a 1/2 inch down. Lay that in there just like that. And let her ride. Oh yeah. 3 in a row, baby. Look there. She's a beauty. See if I can't trim it left-handed. No, it's tricky.